Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by reducing system load, close non-essential background apps, and overlays so Subnautica gets available CPU and GPU time. Next, launch the game and switch to windowed or borderless mode and drop resolution by roughly 10 to 25% to reduce render cost. While you're doing that, open your GPU control panel and update drivers. Outdated drivers often cause stutters. Once done, verify game files through the launcher to remove corrupt assets that can trigger micro stutters. Now you tune Subnautica's graphics settings for consistent playback, reduce terrain detail, draw distance, vegetation density, and particle effects because those load CPU and GPU heavily. Disable or switch anti-aliasing to lighter modes like FZA and turn off motion blur to reduce GPU spikes. Reduce shadow quality to low. Shadows are expensive and cause hitching. Finally, cap the frame rate to a stable number your monitor can sustain. Locking at 60 or 30 prevents wild. Finish by optimizing the system and checking persistent causes. Set your power plan to high performance and consider disabling core parking so CPU cores stay responsive. Monitor temperatures to avoid thermal throttling. Add stable launch options like ForceD 3D11 and high, and disable overlays such as Steam or Discord, which cause input and frame hitches. If lag continues, remove or update mods, inspect the output log, and reset the user or reinstall the game. That often clears corrupted settings that produce lag.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.